Okay, let's make smash burgers. I know I made a ton of smash burgers. These are a little different. They're kind of fun. Let's oil up this side. Look at that, sliced jalapenos. We're going to toss these around. Sliced jalapenos and sweet onions. Mix them up good. But I don't normally do what I've started doing. We're going to steam this, and then we're going to caramelize it. And so what we're going to do is we're going to do some water, cover it up, let them steam for a while. So now let's get to the burger part. What makes this a different kind of smash burger? This is 24-hour brisket that I cook, chopped up. Blues Hog original barbecue sauce, burger sauce, brioche buttered buns, Colby Jack cheese. The star of the show, some Wagyu brisket patties. Get the oil nice and hot. First patty. Second patty. Why I heat my grill press is it helps it not stick, and I've got oil. Let's hit them with a little Louis. With the brisket, just down with a little water too, just to help open it up. Oil. Stack them. Got my brisket here. Some Blues Hog. My buddy Tim, tallest man in barbecue. Chopped brisket, here we come. Blues Hog wins everywhere. In competition, it wins in the backyard. Love me some Blues Hog. Now let's toast our buns really quickly. Okay, let's put some of this sauce on. There you have it, kids. Big Poppa's brisket burger, grilled onions, jalapenos, Colby Jack cheese, secret sauce, Blues Hog barbecue. Let's go eat.